A balanced diet is essential for everyone, but it's especially vital for people with diabetes. It helps control blood sugar levels, provides energy, and prevents complications. Think of your plate as a pie chart divided into sections. Half of your plate should be filled with non-starchy vegetables. These include broccoli, spinach, carrots, and peppers. Non-starchy vegetables are low in carbohydrates and calories, which means they won't spike your blood sugar. 1/4 of your plate should be lean protein. Good choices include chicken, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu. Protein helps you feel full and satisfied, preventing overeating. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels. The remaining 1/4 of your plate should be dedicated to carbohydrates. Choose complex carbohydrates over simple carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are found in whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. Certain foods can be your allies in managing blood sugar. These foods are packed with nutrients and have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels.